Do I look I look decent. Alright, so don't mind my boobs. I thought they would be seen more and appreciated more than this. Is my earring falling out? Please don't mind my ears, y'all. I'm trying to do this right. Hey, hello, how you doing? My name is Tehja, and today, I knew my earring was gonna fall. Just don't act like it falls every time. Just act like that didn't happen, okay? And it's in my hair. It's in my hair. Ugh. Okay. Alright, let's try this again. If my hair looks a mess, don't ask any questions, okay? So 1, 2, 3. My name is Tehja, and today is another extra special video. Today is the beginning of my Valentine's Day Lovecore inspired, not inspired, it really is, Valentine's Day Lovecore fashion project, okay? I posted a sneak piece of it this time last year, but I didn't fully finish the garment. I don't know, just last year was just such a blur. So I'm finishing the garment this year for Valentine's Day, but I'm doing it a little bit different. It is for 14 days of a TEEZY Valentine, but instead of 14, it's 7, because we're only 7 days away. And what I'm doing, just to make sure I could get the videos out on time, but also I think it's a nice format to do it in, because y'all like the format I did for the Beyonce Renaissance project. So what I'm doing this year and for this project is that I'm going to be posting just shorts for the next 7 days. And then I'm going to be posting the finished look on the 14th. And then after that, I'm going to be posting the longer YouTube video style videos that I explain more in detail what's going on and how I accomplished what I did with this project. And that will be after the 14th, just to make sure that everything's easy and I'm not rushing through stuff. You know, I want to make sure I just get everything done right. So that's the way I'm doing it this year. So this is the schedule of all the shorts and how they're coming out for this year. And you know, I'll be posting multiple shorts on multiple days because each day relatively will count as one piece of the overall garment. I'm showing y'all now for what the sketch is for this project here. So I kind of came up with the sketch because how I design, I really am my own muse. I just be like, what do I want to wear? And then how do I make it? And so that's pretty much what I do. And so this is a sketch, again, in black and white, because that's just how I sketch. It's horrible. It's so bad. Like, I was too, because by the time I'm done with the line part of it, like coloring it, I'm just like, absolutely not. Too much work. Absolutely not. So as soon as I can hire a fashion illustrator, I'm gonna do that, because just me and coloring is just not my thing. But anyway, but it's very much red, pink, you know, and light pink. For the color combination, I'm going to have like a heart-shaped bra, and the bra cups are going to be like a bra cup. I noticed with like heart bras for the cups, like they're like flat, and they're kind of like just pasted, like they like use the tension of your body to press your boobs up or your chest up. But I just never saw like a heart-shaped bra that is a cup shape that's three-dimensional, that can hold the chest meat. So I kind of pattern drafted that. It's still not perfect, but it is at a good place that it looks good on my body. So I did that, and then it's gonna have cute little red bows. Most of it's gonna be satin, like satin bows, satin binding. The corset is gonna be made out of pink satin with a lot of heart details. And so with the heart rings, it's going to be red on the outside, dark medium pink on the inside, and then light pink in the middle. Panties with the same kind of aesthetic to it, even though I did change the panty design a tad, but it's relatively the same as what it is on the sketch. Then I decided to include stockings this year, or for this project, because I thought it would fit the aesthetic, because this is a lot more lingerie than the Beyonce Renaissance look. So I kind of wanted to add to that, because lately, which I am developing, but I have been into like burlesque costumes have been inspiring me as a fashion designer, and it always has. Like, if y'all know me with Rebel's Promise, like I've been doing bras for years, and then I've always been obsessed with corsets and stuff like that. So I realized, oh, like I like making burlesque costumes, even though like this can be used as a burlesque costume. It doesn't have all the functions yet, but it's you can like easily make the closures easier to take off and all that stuff too. So it can be transformed into a burlesque costume, but I've just been into that, so I want to get into that style. Also want to become a burlesque dancer, but that's a different video. But yeah, and so also I will have platform heels on. I wanted to like put like hearts on it and all that stuff, but I decided not to because I just want to reuse the heels for other looks. So I decided not to because buying heels for every single look is expensive, and it's great but not cost effective. So I decided to omit that. But lastly, I have the gloves. Well, not lastly, but I do have the gloves, which I decided to have like, it's not in Old English, but the idea was it for the letters to be in Old English. And one side is going to say TEEZY and the other side is going to say Valentine. So, in reference to TEEZY Valentine, obviously, because that's the whole aesthetic, that's the whole look. And then I have beaded fringe at the end. And then I wanted like red heart rhinestone details and like ruffles on the gloves, but that was just too much. And so I decided I omitted that as well. But the beaded fringe is still there and rhinestones are definitely going to be on it. And then lastly, I wanted to do a choker. I don't know if I'm going to do the choker, but I'm planning to do the choker. Because I feel like it will fit the entire look, especially when I have a like crisscross strap detail in the front of the like on the bra. I think adding a choker will help to really kind of make it super strappy and, you know, cute. So that's pretty much the sketch. That's what I'm working on. And so every single day I will be posting shorts in regards to me making every single outfit or every single piece of the outfit. Yeah, and you can just follow along. I'm not going to have like the instructions in the shorts. Like I said, it's going to be in the bigger videos. But if you want to go on my TikTok, because you can post longer videos, if you want to go on my TikTok, then I do have a little bit of a voiceover that explains a little bit of what I'm doing, which I'll link that down below as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll also, with the shorts, I will be listing the materials and stuff like that, so you know at least what I used in order to make this happen. So that's pretty much it. So I hope y'all follow along with this whole project because I'm very excited and I'm in love with all of it. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Hopefully I can get the finished look done by the 14th and take photos and all that stuff. Because I still haven't shot the look yet, so pray for me, y'all, because I want to get it done by the 14th. Yeah, but like the Super Bowl is on the 12th, so I don't know. Just pray for me. Anyway, so that's it. So follow along with everything, and everything will be linked down below. Like I'll plug and link all of the shorts down below and a playlist to the shorts. If you're interested in any of my content, please check out my channel and subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you get notified with every short that comes out for this Valentine's Day Lovecore project. So anyway, lovelies, as always, please love yourself and I will see you next video. Mwah!